Hey kids, Blippi here. Today is gonna be awesome. Guess why? We're going on a super duper shape adventure. We're gonna look for shapes everywhere. Shapes are all around us. In your house, at the playground, even on your plate. Cool, right? We'll learn about some really neat shapes. Get your eyes ready, because we're gonna explore shapes together. Are you excited? I am, let's go. Shapes are like building blocks for everything. Imagine a world with no shapes. Silly, huh? Everything would be a wobbly blob. But we have circles, squares, and lots more. Learning shapes helps us understand how things are made. It's like being a detective, and it's super fun. We'll find shapes in toys, food, and big things like buildings. Wow, this is gonna be great. Get ready to use your smart brains and sharp eyes. We'll learn their names and what makes each shape special. Some shapes have pointy corners, some are round and smooth. It's like meeting new friends. We'll see how shapes help us build things, play games, and even eat snacks. So, get ready, and let's start our shape hunt. Woohoo! Our shape adventure starts now. We're gonna be shape spotters. That's a big job. We'll look high and low. We'll find big shapes and small shapes. When we find a shape, shout its name. Ready to be a shape expert with me, Blippi? Awesome! Let's find our first shape. Here we go! What will it be? Our first shape is the amazing circle. Look, a circle is perfectly round, no straight lines, no pointy corners. It goes round and round like a spinning top. Can you draw a circle in the air? Round and round, that's it. You got it. Circles are smooth and fun. Where can we find circles? Let's see. Ever seen a yummy pizza? A whole pizza is a giant circle. A delicious round circle. See the crust going all the way around, and the pepperoni? Those are often little circles too. So many circles on one pizza. Circles can be big, like a pizza, or small, like a pea. Cool, huh? Food can be full of shapes. Yummy learning. What else is a circle? Think about toys. How about a ball? Yes, a bouncy ball is a circle. It's round all over so it rolls and bounces. Boing, boing. You can throw it, kick it, catch it. It rolls fast because it's a circle. Many wheels are circles too. Wheels on your toy car or on a bus. Beep, beep. They go round and round. Circles help things move. Let's find more circles. How about a clock? Many clocks have a round face, a circle. It tells time. Tick-tock, look at the sky. The sun looks like a big yellow circle. Wow! And at night, the moon can look like a circle too. Circles are everywhere, from buttons to bubbles. Keep looking for circles. Next, the super square. A square is special. It has 4 straight sides and all 4 sides are the same length. And a square has 4 pointy corners. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pointy corners. Imagine a box. That's often a square. Squares are strong. Let's find squares. Ever get a gift? Sometimes gifts come in boxes. And that box might be a square. A surprise in a square. How cool! Or think about building blocks. Many are little cubes, and each side is a square. You can stack them because their square sides fit together. Squares are great for building towers. Look around. Maybe you have a square toy box. Now the terrific triangle. A triangle is different. It has 3 straight sides and 3 pointy corners. Count. 1, 2, 3, 3 sides and 3 corners. When you cut a sandwich from corner to corner, poof! 2 triangles. Yummy triangle sandwiches. Triangles can be big or small but always have 3 sides. Where are triangles? Look at a house roof. Many have a triangle shape on top for the rain. Or a party hat. That pointy hat is a triangle. So fun. Even pizza slices can look like triangles. Wow! Squares with 4 equal sides and triangles with 3 pointy corners. Keep looking. Next is the really cool rectangle. A rectangle is like a square with 4 straight sides and 4 pointy corners. But a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Not like a square where all sides are the same. Imagine stretching a square. It becomes a rectangle. Rectangles are useful. Let's find some. Think about a book. A book is usually a rectangle. 2 long sides, 2 short sides. And the screen you're watching me on? A TV, tablet, or phone screen? Often rectangles. Great for showing pictures and videos. Even a door is usually a big rectangle. Rectangles are everywhere. So, we learned about circles, round, no corners, squares, 4 equal sides, 4 corners, triangles, 3 sides, 3 corners, and rectangles, 2 long sides, 2 short sides, 4 corners. Wow! You're shape experts. Hooray! Learning shapes is fun, especially when you find them all around. Now, your Blippi shape challenge. Ready? Go on a shape hunt. Look everywhere. Find 5 circles. Maybe a plate or a coin. Find 5 squares. Maybe a window or a game board square. 5 triangles. Maybe a hanger or a pattern on a rug. 5 rectangles. Maybe a table or a candy bar. Take pictures or draw them. Have fun, shape explorers. Bye-bye.